You want the best empanadas? I got you covered. Start by prepping your ingredients. Half a red pepper, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, a couple cloves of garlic, and half a jalapeno. Half a small onion. Hit it with the Ninja. Sauté it over medium-low heat. Add your seasoning, ground paprika. Don't forget your sazon. Ground cumin. Adobo. Chicken bouillon. Oh my God, that looks good. It smells amazing. Add the oregano. Give it a good stir. Add half a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. This smells amazing. No grizzled chicken here. Season with sea salt and black pepper. Okay, so my oil is a little hot here. Fry the chicken on medium-high heat. Not like what I'm doing. Check out the crust. Add oregano. Add sea salt. Remove the chicken from the hot pan. Pour off the oil. Then add the tomatoes and chilies. Add the initial sautéed ingredients. Cover and simmer. You can shred the chicken by hand, or you can put it in a stand mixer with the paddle. Don't forget to feed your brofist.
Hey, brofist. the same thing.
Add the cheese once the chicken is cooled off.
Yep.
Lightly apply some water to the edge of the empanada dough. Place a generous amount of filling in the center of the dough. Then squeeze the edges together. Close it using a fork. Take your egg wash and generously coat only the top side of the empanadas. Also, be sure to use a lightly greased pan . Bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from oven and place them on a cooling rack. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. The link to the chimichurri sauce is located below. Please like, comment, and subscribe.